Nikki and Skelly here. I first want to say thank you so much, sincerely, for your support with Candy Luge. Many of you have asked for more easy DIY crafts. So today we're gonna make haunted house picture frames. If you like these DIYs, subscribe to the channel. So 11 years ago, we threw our first Halloween party. We had just moved and I didn't have a lot of decor yet, and was on a pretty tight budget, and most of that budget was going to food and drink. So I needed some decorations that took up some space but did not cost me a lot of money. 11 years later, we are still using our haunted house frame pictures. They are a great conversation starter, so let's break it down. Just like people, the Skellies love to bring their pets everywhere too. I like your vulture, isn't he sweet? So the first thing you need, obviously, are frames. I happen to accumulate frames. I don't even know where half these frames came from, but I went ahead for this craft and I gathered all the black frames that I had, and I also gathered any mismatch frames or frames that were colors I wasn't really using anymore. If you don't have frames cluttering your house like I did, you can get them pretty inexpensively at thrift stores, a dollar store, or garage sales. Every year I try to sell frames at my garage sale and no one buys them, so I'm sure you can get them really inexpensively there. Then the next thing to do is, for your frames that aren't black, just go ahead and paint them. I use spray paint because it dries so fast. If you have other paints, use those. If you have craft paints or acrylic paints, they just take a little longer to dry. If you are a more crafty person, try a crackle finish or a patina, really whatever matches your decor or what you're going for. All of my Halloween decor is mostly monochromatic. I liked it because it is an easy way to put together a lot affordably, and it also just has a really continuous look throughout the house, pulls all the rooms together. So once you have your frames ready, you gotta get your pictures. So for your image search, just go online and play around with some different keywords. So you can try haunted house or old house, dilapidated house works good, or historic home is one of my favorites, rundown house. It just sort of depends on what vibe you're going for. Do you want your houses to look really spooky, like murder scene, or do you want them to look more just like somebody up and abandoned the place and they left their stuff behind, or more polished or classy, or really just whatever your vibe is. And then just go ahead and print them. I printed mine in black and white or sepia. That was 11 years ago. Now we have filters. So you could have a lot of fun playing with different filters and getting just the look that you want out of your pictures. So when you go to set them up, think about places that people usually keep frames. So mantles, bookshelves, the wall, dressers, and then just bring in and incorporate other items that you would normally find there. So like, I like to use books. This one I got just this year at the dollar store, Tales of Halloween. It's a little secret spot. That's really nice to use. Candles work really well. I did a ladies dresser vignette and I used jewelry and I just draped them over, you know, kind of over the side artistically, or laid it around in front of it. These ones are actually my grandma's, but you can easily find those at secondhand stores. Find all kinds of really interesting costume jewelry. I also like, you can use different garlands. I've got a eyeball garland here. It's really fun and colorful. Also, they make those LED light strings. They're battery operated and they're on timers. Those are really nice to kind of scatter about. This is a little wreath I picked up at the Target like dollar section. It was after Halloween, so it was like 70 cents. But you can hang them on your doors or your walls. You can put them in the center and put like a floral arrangement or candle. In the pictures on this video, you'll see I have it kind of propped up against the wall just to create a little bit of background intrigue. You really can make it whatever you want and not spend a ton of money on it and feel really good about having an awesome Halloweenscape around your house. Thank you so much for watching. If you make some haunted house frames, please tag me on Instagram at Halloween Party Envy, and go ahead and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any more fun DIYs. Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween! Bye.